Hi, my name is Veada and I'm originally from Philadelphia, but lived in the Washington, D.C. area for about 30 years. Up until 2 years ago, we moved to Mesa, Arizona, thanks to Alan.
Hi, and my name is Alan Pauls. I'm originally from Washington, D.C., and we moved out, like my wife said, to Arizona 2 years ago.
The RP event, what can I tell you about it? Very informative. I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I came. This is the first time I've gone to an event like this where I actually got some real hands-on information and things that I, not only did information, but also be able to apply it with the homework sessions that we had.
Yeah, for me, same thing, and like my wife said, very informative, very enlightening, gave me some things to think about, got my creative juices flowing, looking forward to getting into making some deals.
For me, the hands-on experience has been just that, actually making the phone call to see if we can reach people, the motivated sellers, to be able to make some kind of contact to see if we're going to be able to make a deal.
Yeah, again, echoing my wife, as always. Hands-on experience for me was, kind of getting the jitters out of the unknown of making the phone calls. So now, once we are actually involved in making the deals, now I'll be a little bit more comfortable in making the phone calls and trying to build some kind of rapport and relationship with the people that I'm talking to on the phone.
Fears for me? Not really. I don't have any real fears. I'm excited. Like I said, I've been looking around for this kind of thing in real estate investment for a while, not really finding the right fit, and realize this is the right fit.
The clever investor, I really got involved with it because I had a connection with listening to Cody, listening to the videos. They really seemed genuine. It didn't seem like it was just a get-rich-quick scheme. It actually felt genuine for me, and I built a connection with the gentlemen that were doing the presenting, and that's what made me want to start looking into investing with Clever Investing.
Yes, and as Alan said, I agree. Genuine caught me right from the screen of watching the videos. I actually found Clever Investment some time ago on Facebook, and I started researching from there, looking more into it, the videos and reading the information. And what I would tell those who may be interested, who are sitting home trying to decide, to really come out of the house and come out of from wherever they are and actually come into one of the sessions to see for themselves.